Okay, friends, namaste. Welcome everyone. So today's topic. Anyway, मैं पहले just give you some examples, and then I know you guess it what the topic is. ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ कि आप रास्ता क्रॉस कर रहे हो और सडनली बिल्ली आपको क्रॉस करके जाती है? ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपके साथ बहुत कुछ हुआ है और सबने कहा टच वुड टच वुड टच वुड? एंड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आपको आपने सुना होगा, आपके बड़े बुजुर्ग लोगों ने आपको कहा होगा, या आप अब अपने बच्चों को बताते हो या बच्चों के बच्चों को बताते हो कि रात में नाखून मत काटा करो. व्हाट इज ऑल दिस? या superstitions. So today we are going to talk about superstitions and the connection of superstition with science. So is there any connection, or they are just our mind games, or what are these superstitions are, from where they have come? We'll try to know about it. I think most of the people of you guys know, 90% I know, सबको पता होगा कि superstitions क्या है, इसका बेस क्या है, क्यों हम मानते हैं ये चीजें. बट स्टिल आई थॉट आई विल लाइक टू टेल जो भी 10% जिनको कुछ थोड़ा बहुत पता करना होगा, तो I will help them to know about it. What is superstition? So उसके कोई definition नहीं है proper कि क्या superstition है, but then they say कि it is an irrational belief. It is our irrational belief for those future events that we think we can influence them. They are unrelated behaviors or their occurrences जो है हमें लगता है जो हमारे सबकी एक ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी रहती है टू कंट्रोल द फ्यूचर इवेंट्स. अगर मैं कुछ काम कर रही हूँ तो मेरा काम बराबर जो मुझे रिजल्ट चाहिए वही मुझे मिलना चाहिए. अगर ये जो कंट्रोल वाली जो भावना आती है ना हमारे में, सो और हमें पता है कहीं पे तो भी कि दैट समवेयर आई एम नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल, देन वी ट्राई टू होल्ड समथिंग so that we feel that probably with this help I am able to cross the stream or I am able to get what I want, and that where the superstition plays in our life. So जैसे सुपरस्टिशन का मतलब जैसे हम हिंदी में अगर बोले तो अंधविश्वास, अंधश्रद्धा भी होता है. जैसे आप बिल्कुल आंखें मूंद कर किसी चीज पे विश्वास कर लेते हो, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो सुपरस्टिशन ओनली. एक्चुअली it has some scientific base. Superstition का जो base है, if we say that if it is a belief or is it a science, then I will say that it is a science which was distorted and took the form of superstition. Base जो था scientific ही था, but over the period of time, as the time progresses, जैसे जैसे years and years होते गए, हमारे बुजुर्गों के जैसे वो चाइनीज विस्पर्स रहते हैं ना, एक कान से दूसरे कान पे तीसरे पहुंचते तक, लास्ट वाले में पहुंचते तक कंप्लीटली डिस्टॉर्टेड वर्जन हो जाता है. सुपरस्टिशन इज लाइक दैट. Though it has a scientific belief, but the time it reached us, it has taken a completely as if it's a andhashraddha. So many superstitions are believed today that it has a past evidence of science, but without science, if the stories are told, they become ridiculous and stupid. अगर हम किसी को बताएं without any base of scientific base, then it becomes very stupid stories. So we should always give everyone if we are believing in something, we should know why we believe in that particular thing. Like some actions I do will, suppose I only do sometimes, I do many a times. Like if we are playing cards, suppose in Diwali, in our family, we play cards with the money. I don't sit with Rajiv. Why? It's my superstition. कि मैं बैठूंगी तो he will lose. So I go. So what is that? कोई साइंटिफिक बेस है क्या इसमें? कुछ नहीं है. पर ये मेरा मानना है कि जो मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकती हूँ, अगर वो जीतते हैं हारते हैं, it is beyond my control and it's a mere chance or mere, just sometimes he wins, sometimes he loses. But I feel very happy if I am not sitting with him, because probably I think he may win. So this is my superstition, and everybody has their some superstitions in their life which we believe in ourselves. I mean, किसी ने बताया हुआ नहीं है आपको, पर आप ये अपने आप के लिए एक समझौता कर लेते हो शायद कि मैं अगर ऐसा करूंगा तो शायद मेरी लाइफ में सब ठीक चलेगा. Many great players have believe in superstitions, right? From Tendulkar, Nadal, Michael Jordan, Borg, like Serena, for example. She has a very perk of like using her shower sandals till the court. She wears वो चप्पल जो shower के बाद बेडिंग चप्पल्स रहते हैं वो पहन के वो कोट तक आती है, और फिर उसके बाद वो शूज पहनती है और शू लेसेस जो है पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल से ही बांधती है, और बॉल को जब बाउंस करती है वो 5 टाइम्स ही बाउंस करती है बिफोर सर्विंग. सो दीज आर द स्मॉल कर्व्स एंड मेनी बिग प्लेयर्स, मेनी sporting personalities have these superstitions in their way कि they feel if they do it in a particular manner they will win, and she never changes her socks throughout the tournament. So ये मुझे गूगल करते समय पता लगा, ये मुझे पहले नहीं पता था, but I knew that Tendulkar has this, Nadal has it. We have seen, if you watch tennis, I'm more talking about tennis players because I watch too much of tennis while they play. So I've seen that Nadal keeping his bottles in a particular manner, towel in a particular manner, bottles जो drinks पीता है that has to be in a particular manner. So it is the superstition when crosses the line becomes OCD. Obsessive compulsive disorder, and that is what Nadal has it. So हम कितना superstition पे believe करेंगे, हमें कितना follow करना चाहिए, हमें हमेशा सोचना चाहिए just to have a satisfaction कि शायद मेरे ये करने से अच्छा होगा, तब तक थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है, but it should not cross the line so that it becomes a disease. If it gives you a boost of confidence, doesn't matter, go for it, but not beyond the certain level. So many times we follow these superstitions and like Andhashraddha because we don't have faith in our capability, or we don't trust the decision the God has taken for us, or we got something more than we deserve. हमें जो हमें जितना मिलना चाहिए उससे अगर ज्यादा मिला होगा ना, तब भी हम बहुत ज्यादा superstitions पे बिलीव करते हैं, क्योंकि हमें पता है यार इतना स्ट्रगल ही नहीं किया था, यार मैंने तो इतनी मेहनत ही नहीं करी थी इस चीज के लिए, पर फिर भी मेरे को कितना दे दिया, जबकि वो बगल वाला मेहनत करा चला जा रहा है and he is not getting what he really deserves for, but I am getting it. So somewhere you fear that I should not lose it what I got. So when you fear for something, superstition plays on your mind, and that's why you stick to those superstitions. So these are the ways we follow the superstitions, and what is the science behind these few superstitions we follow. तो कुछ examples मैं दूंगी, जैसे हमें शायद पता होगा, but still I will like to talk about it today. Like first है कि don't go out during an eclipse. जब ग्रहण रहता है हम कहते हैं बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, ये हमें भी पता है क्यों नहीं चाहिए probably, but पर हमें probably it was not told when I was young, small, 7-8 साल की थी, नहीं जाना है, बस नहीं जाना है, नहीं जाना है, no reason given. But now we know the reason. We should not go because there is a solar eclipse and cause eclipse blindness, retinal burns, and it can UV rays जो है वो affect कर सकते हैं, इसलिए हमें नहीं जाना चाहिए. Similarly, like girls should not do work when they are into menstruation. They have periods. आप काम नहीं करोगे, भगवान को हाथ नहीं लगाओगे, पूजा नहीं करोगे, ये नहीं करोगे, वो नहीं करोगे, ये भी हमने बचपन से सुना है. Reason not given, क्योंकि you are not clean or something like that, which was for a girl, it was very disheartening. It was very what you will call demeaning. जो आपको नहीं अच्छा लगता था कि मुझे आपने अलग कर दिया है सबसे, but the real reason behind this is that because she needs to take rest, her body is undergoing some changes, and she should be taking rest. And in olden days there were no proper things for her to take care of her those 4 days. So that's why she has to be kept in a separate room, so whatever happens nobody could see her in that state and she can take care of herself. That was also one reason. But what we did, we never gave scientific reason to anyone, to our children, or we were been given, and we just blindly बस हमें बड़ों ने बताया तो हमें ये फॉलो करना है, no reason being given. Then it becomes a superstition, but there was some scientific reason behind it, और उसको हमने थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्टॉर्ट भी करते गए अपने अपने हिसाब से, अपने कंफर्ट लेवल के हिसाब से हमने उसको थोड़ा सा डिस्टॉर्ट भी किया. देन एक सुपरस्टिशन है कि रात को पेड़ों के नीचे से या पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे से नहीं जाना चाहिए या बैठना नहीं चाहिए रात को, स्पेशली वाई नहीं जाना चाहिए, भूत आते हैं, हमें बताया जाता था वहां पे पीपल के पेड़ पे भूत आते हैं, बट नो, इट इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. द साइंटिफिक रीजन बिहाइंड इज दैट at night trees give out the carbon dioxide and at night they give out oxygen especially, and in the daytime give carbon dioxide. So at daytime we should not set below the
No,
people.
no. Night they give out carbon dioxide.
Yes, night they give out. Sorry, thanks. Night they give out carbon dioxide, and there's one people की पेड़ की हम पूजा करते हैं जो, and वर सावित्री की पूजा करते हैं, सत्यवान सावित्री की जो हमने स्टोरी सुनी है कि सत्यवान हैज कम आउट, आई मीन ही जिंदा हो गए व्हेन ही वाज बिलो द पीपल ट्री। तो ये हमें लगता है कि हम भी अगर ऐसे धागा बांधेंगे सावित्री के जैसा तो हमारे भी हस्बैंड probably he will also get a long life and all, which is I don't believe. I feel that because she was below that people tree and she got that excess oxygen, which he was depleted of oxygen, and he got that oxygen, and that's why he revived and he came back into life. This is the version actually, and science also says the same thing. So these reasons, if we give our children and we tell ourselves that these are the reasons and that's why we should follow, is completely acceptable. There is again one that रात को हमें नाखून नहीं काटनी चाहिए to avoid. Logic है कि we should not get hurt because पुराने जमाने में lights नहीं थी, electricity नहीं थी, light कम होता था, अगर आप नाखून काट रहे हो it's very fine. So if you get hurt, so it is difficult. That's why they used to refrain themselves from cutting nails at night. But हमने उसको एक बना लिया है कि अब अभी भी नहीं रहा रात को नाखून काटने हैं. But now slowly people are changing, they are getting understanding. So things are changing. Now number 13 का बहुत बड़ा स्टिग्मा है, we all know कि 13 नंबर का फ्लोर भी नहीं लेना है, 13 नंबर का हमें ये भी नहीं लगा किसी के लिए. some say it's lucky for me, some say it's not lucky for me, but why that luck has been associated with this 13 number? It is हम लोग के हिंदूज में या हम लोग इंडियंस के बिलीफ सिस्टम में ये कम है 13 नंबर का, but then क्रिश्चियंस में बहुत ज्यादा है because it has come from the Bible. They say the 13th guest, वो जो लास्ट सपर था जीसस का, उसमें there were 12 guests and the 13th guest who was arrived, he betrayed Jesus. The sitting arrangement was so that it was only meant for 12, and the 13th guest who came, he betrayed Jesus, and then the Jesus was crucified the next day. So that's why they say that 13 is unlucky number. So superstitions actually are the byproduct of our brain, and which is trying to protect us from these predators, या जो unknown चीज होने वाली है हमारे साथ, हम उस डर से हम ये superstition को follow करते हैं. So your brain simply refuses to accept that you can't control or predict everything. In fact, some researchers have argued that it's psychologically healthy to believe that you have more control than you really do. So superstitions acts as a placebo effect on you. ये ना जैसे प्लेसिबो का इफेक्ट रहता है सुपरस्टिशन, वैसे हम दवाई खाते हैं जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं रहता. मीठी दवाई जैसे होम्योपैथी की मीठी गोलियां अगर आपको दे दो तो आपको लगेगा मैंने दवाई खा ली, मैं ठीक हो गई. तो ये सोच के कि मैंने दवाई खा ली शायद मैं ठीक हो गई, तो सुपरस्टिशन इज जस्ट लाइक दैट, होम्योपैथी की मीठी दवाई. So it makes you feel that I am following something, that's why good things happen with me. So if it is helping you, go for superstition. But then eventually you need to be strong enough to have faith in you and the higher power and what the karmas you're doing and the hard work you're doing. You should have faith in that. So with this, I will stop this topic and we will go for our pranayama meditation. So take everyone position for pranayama. Aankhein band. Deep breaths, normal breathing. 9 rounds of one. Start with your left nostril breathing in, close your right nostril, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, last round, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, relax. Again, deep breaths. 5 rounds of Gayatri Pranayama. Take the position of your fingers. Thumb goes into your ears. Inhale and exhale. Take out your sound. Inhale. Mm. 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 आंखें बंद रखिए, बैक सीधी रखिए, दोनों हाथों को क्रॉस कर लीजिए, आराम से सुखासन में बैठ जाए. Invite Lord Shiva, Maharishi Patanjali, Babaji, all the other gurus, Devi Devtas, on we have complete belief, take their blessings, and now complete focus on your in breath and out breath. श्वास और प्रश्वास पे पूरा अपना ध्यान रखिए. आत्मविश्वास और जगविश्वास. Is there any disturbance in the sound?
Yes.
Some problems. I will try another music. Please carry on with the meditation. Ignore the
मजाक ना है,
advertisement.
ये मर्दों का गहना है.
Oh, this is okay. Just smile on your face and just focus on your breathing. आत्मविश्वास हो जाके विश्वास पे पूरा पूरा श्वासों को जबरदस्ती नहीं लेना है और जबरदस्ती छोड़ना भी नहीं। बिल्कुल नेचुरल तरीके से इंहलेशन एंड नेचुरल एक्सलेशन। It may be short, it may be long. Ignore the disturbances which are around you. Simply focus on your breath. श्वास आपको हमेशा अपने प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में लाती है। पूरा ध्यान रखें अपने श्वासों पर। The more you focus on your breath, the more will your mind will be in the thought state. शून्य की स्थिति में आपका मन चला जाएगा जितना आप अपने श्वासों पे ध्यान दें। विचारों के पीछे न भागे, आएंगे आगे पीछे। They are like unwanted guests. Treat them the way they deserve. श्वास ही आपका गुरु है। श्वास ही आपका सखा है। श्वास ही आपका बंधु है। इससे अपना नाता जोड़ के रखिए। Just 5 minutes. Surrender yourself completely to the breath. Don't fight with it. Last 2 minutes. Stay in the attitude of gratitude. Say positive affirmations to ourselves. I am healthy. I am happy. I am satisfied. I am full of life, full of love for myself and for others around me. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given, also for whatever you have not given. With this sense of gratitude and love, rub your palms, keep them on your eyes. With a smile, open your eyes. Thank you, everyone. On Friday, we will do only meditation. There will be no talk. So, all 30 minutes, there will be meditation. So, everyone be prepared and come with that mindset. Okay, bye, everyone.
Thank you, Archana.
Thank you.